Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome to Can It Family. Today we're checking out the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica plug-in hybrid, and we're gonna see how well it can family. I got a Clek Liing, a Clek Foonf, another Foonf, as well as a Fllo. So let's take a look. I do love a good set of sliding doors. It just makes life just easier. And welcome to the cabin of the Pacifica Hybrid. As you can see, I have the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side, and I got the Fllo in its rearward facing position on the passenger side here. What I love about vans is just how much space there is within this vehicle. You're able to, well, get access to the inside, to the cabin, a whole lot easier than any really SUVs. And the Pacifica has a few tricks up its sleeve. First, the seat itself, it can move forward and aft just to help with loading and unloading your child. And the front seat, that can also move forward as well. So if you're loading your child in, move that front seat forward, slide your seat all the way forward. It's much easier to do so than if it was all the way back. And if you have it forward like this, it gives the third row a little bit more space, which is absolutely great. So let's talk about the seats that I have in here. So as mentioned, I got the Liing and the Fllo, but I also have two Foonfs in the third row, one forward facing and one rearward facing. In terms of lower anchors within this vehicle, there's 4 sets. One on the driver's side in the second row, one on the passenger side here, one on the passenger side in the third row, and one that's off to the mid left or mid driver's side on the third row. So 4 lower anchors, and there's also 4 upper anchors in the exact same spots. All the anchors are very easy to get access to. The lower anchors on the third row, maybe a little bit tighter, but not too difficult in any way. As this is the hybrid variant, it means that there are the batteries under the floor here, which means while I lose the stow and go, I also get comfier second row seats, but I'll also lose out on the easy tilt mechanism that's available in the regular Pacifica. So if I pull this up, I'm actually not able to move this forward. So in order for me to gain access to the third row, I would have to slide the seat back and try to maneuver around. Around the Fllo or the Foonf, it's a little difficult. Around the Liing, much easier. In any case, let me put the Liing inside the vehicle just to show you how much space there is overall. Getting into the cabin is nice and easy. There's actually a little switch on the bottom, so you're able to kick underneath this door and it automatically slides open, making life super simple. And the Liing, plenty of space. Nice and neat inside the cabin. And that's how the Liing, a Fllo, and 2 Foonfs fit inside the Pacifica Hybrid. It's a van, so obviously it's the perfect family vehicle. I can safely get 4 seats in here with no problems at all, and every single person has plenty of space. In any case, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.